Christmas is around the corner, and I know everybody is needing to pick up that one last gift just to go ahead and fulfill somebody's stocking or either under your Christmas tree. Look, I got this 3-in-1 portable phone charger for us Apple users. Yes, us Apple users. That's gonna help you charge up your phone, your AirPods, and Apple Watch all at one time. Now, this company was able to send me over their 3-in-1 charger kit, like I said, for the Apple devices. Now, I've never actually personally owned one of these, and I'm quite stoked, to actually have one now. I've been going out buying, more products to help me, slow down the usage of having wires, but I think this right here is gonna be perfect. All you need is one wire to plug into it, slap everything down on it because, the MagSafe capabilities. That's perfect for the iPhone 15s, especially if your grandma, your brother, sister, you even got one of these, brand new iPhone 15s, or if you got the old iPhones, that's cool, as long as it got MagSafe. Apple Watch as well, AirPods too, you can charge your AirPods up with the MagSafe as well. So this probably right here, will be the perfect gift for that person or yourself. Hey, why not go ahead and pick one of these up, call it a day, cut the wires loose, because you can get one of these. Let's go to get straight into the unboxing. So, taking a look at this portable wireless charger, this right here does come in several colorways. Now, you can get this in black, blue, green, pink, purple, or white. Yeah, I think I said 5, but it's 6 colorways. So yeah, pretty much, you got the whole rainbow, flavors on how, how many chargers you can get. Now, these right here are on sale right now of just $39.99. Normally they're like $59.99. So, it's kind of like the same, amount that you would buy like the I think Apple probably charges like $100 for theirs, but we ain't tripping by Apple right now. Let me open this up real quick because I'm actually curious to see this. This is gonna be dope. Okay, cool. So that's all that's in the box. So we got this coming out. This is the charger itself, man. It looks very small and convenient. I'm pretty sure I can just put this in my pocket and I should be good for the whole entire day. I don't know if anybody's out here actually carrying the charger bricks, but if you are, okay. So inside the box, we do get 2 of these cables. This is actually USB-C compatible, so that's pretty dope. Then we got us a little charger brick as well. Now, I do know that this charger brick is a 9-volt. I believe so. Let me make sure on here, because on the product, yeah, so it is 9-volt. So, I mean, hey, since it's USB-C, you probably could just go ahead and bring your Apple charger and get 20 volts in it. That'd be pretty dope. But let's put these to the side, because, I mean, this ain't nothing, Look, this autofocus, this eye autofocus is crazy. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and open up the charger itself. Now, I got the green one. I was gonna go with white, but I got so many white products here, and let's get dirty. Dang. Yo, this look good, yo. Look at that, bruh. I actually like this. Is actually pretty cool. This is real sleek, man. This doesn't feel that cheap. Obviously, you do have like the little rubber band in the middle or rubber in the middle, whatever, but that's pretty cool. That's pretty standard, but your boy like this. I really love this piece right here, like the green with the freaking silver. That little MagSafe right there, that look pretty cool, man. I like this. This is not bad at all. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the watt speed on this. That's the only thing I'm really concerned about is just the wattage on here. Now, if you do charge your iPhone up on this little pad right here, you're gonna get 10 watts. The watch only doing 2.5. I'm not for sure if that's standard, but yeah, that kind of raises a little bit of concerns for me. Now the AirPods is cool, 5 watts, whatever. Most likely what you can do is just put your stuff on here anyway, because I mean, everything that we have, it should just be, oh no, they don't have it on here. Okay, so yeah, you actually got to use it properly. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say, because the Apple Watches and the AirPods, they are, MagSafe compatible, but I guess not for this, product right here. So that's pretty dope. But yeah, man, hey, this right here is a pretty cool stocking stuffer, especially if you need some. Like I said, it's $39.99 right now on Amazon. I'll definitely leave the link in the description down below. But let me know what you guys think about it. I really love this colorway. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm really happy I went with green and not, you know, a white color. This is cool. I like this. So yeah, until next time, you guys. The brand is out. Peace.